In this video, we will share how to use Intrusion Module on Hik-Connect for Team app. From the homepage, you can stay arm and disarm all zones with a single click, as well as away arm and silence arm. Click the device card to enter area page. Click the button to switch arming status. Click Add to add new area and enter it. Click Linked Device. Edit button to link the added peripherals, then save. Enable Auto Arm control the area by setting up a schedule. Auto Disarm can also be enabled. Late to Disarm can also be enabled. Enter the device status page to see the status information of the device. Click Setting. User Management. Add. You can add new users. Return to Settings page, click System. Configuration. You can configure the device language, time zone and DST. Enter System Options. You can adjust the device parameters according to your needs. Click Network Camera. Network Camera Channel. Add. You can add channel to alarm devices. Click Area. You can enable others areas here. Click Communication Parameters. You can view and configure the device's different network connection, such as network cable, Wi-Fi and SIM card and others configurations. Return to the area page and click the button at the bottom. You can batch processes all areas. Return to Home page and click Notification. All alarm notifications can be viewed here. Click Device Card, enter Device Detail page and click here. You can view all error information of the device. Hik-Connect for Team. Connected security, ready to go.